Hello and welcome back to another fighter flight video. In this video we will be going over the landing of the Boeing 787. I should also mention that I'm giving shoutouts at the end of this video. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, we will now begin our third and final video or phase on the Boeing 787-10. In this video we will be going over the approach, descent, and landing, including a few factors regarding the direction your wind is going and the guided path of landing. Now, you will want to make sure that your throttle is at about 60% or 70%. Anywhere between that range is fine. And let's see over here. You will have to make adjustments while landing. Pretty common adjustments, I might say. And then there is the direction your wind is going, which we can see over here. Let's see, we are just going up to overspeed, so you may need to take the throttle down a bit. And let's see now. Just about to veer into course. Perfect. Now all you need to do is follow the lights. And by lights I mean the lights on the runway. Not these lights, but these two lights on the side. Both of these will go both red and white if you're on the perfect path. So now they're both completely white, meaning we're too high. So you may need to go down a bit. Okay, we're beginning to see some red lights now. And let's see, our overspeed's going off, so we'll need to send our throttle down in order to keep it from going to overspeed. Okay, we are going too low, meaning you'll have to pull up. Now we are too high, meaning you'll have to pull down. And I repeat, you will always have to do adjustments to your plane. And now we'll have to pull up and down. Well, not yet, but we will have to soon, if we are going too high. Perfect. Now that we are going for a final approach, we'll have to make sure your landing gear is down. Over here, since the lever is down, that means our landing gears are too. And reduce your throttle to 25% or 30. Either one is just fine. Just about to touch down. Now cut throttle. Perfect. Now, depending on the joystick button you have, you will have to adjust brakes. And if your plane is ever going too fast, but you don't need to steer it, I'd recommend turning on the parking brakes here. This will dramatically decrease speed. And as you can see, we have successfully landed at Schiphol Airport, our target airport. Thank you for watching this video. Now, like I said in the last video, I will be giving the first 5 to 10 people who comment on my video a shout out. And here they are: SLZZ, Gucci Lemon, Vortex Prism, Damon Gay, Then Tenu Lion, Bob Smear, Rifto, Will Mason, Vigil, PTCTBTB, Nuts, and Logan Merrill. Thank you for watching.